For the session of the 22nd of June 2021, American battery metals closed down at $2.13, a retracement of 1.39%. About 1.6 million shares crossed the tape during that session. It's important that we point out that we have a position in American battery metals. So I think the stock over the past couple of sessions has been pretty much consolidating, trading between $2.5 and $2. I would say since the middle of May up till now, for about a month now, it's been moving sideways. But we can also notice that from sometime towards the end of May last year, May this year, 2021, it just sprang up from $1.5 to $2.5. And was that one single extension? It wasn't a single extension, just a gradual progression, and got that resistance at that $2.5 and retraced again. And all in all, it has just been trading within that range. On certain sessions it will extend upwards, but what could be going wrong? Is it a case of inflation? Because is it a case of inflation? I mean, it's a company that's dealing with commodities, obviously. Lithium. Is it that the fact that it's dealing with lithium? The fact that it's dealing with lithium should be a positive, but at the same time, lithium is also a commodity that is associated with what may be causing inflation. It's a commodity that is. Commodities are supposed to be. They're supposed to be a safe. They're supposed to be safe assets or safe havens during a time of inflation, rather a time of inflation, the sort of inflation we are facing right now. They're supposed to be safe havens. They're supposed to be safe assets, but at the same time, the push towards green tech, the green towards carbon, climate change, is also one of the causes of inflation. So that might be, we're just speculating here, could that be why the stock has not really progressed as such of late? It's just been moving sideways and consolidating, retracing and extending, just doing what a regular stock would normally do. But you would expect that with this Biden administration green tech push, that this sort of stock will extend and do better. But contrary to that push Biden is doing, a lot of analysts are saying that Biden is not exactly getting it that right. If you're going to go towards green tech, it has to be probably market driven, and the market is not exactly in support of that, because the push is curtailing the supply of the push of the Biden administration, amongst other things, is curtailing the supply of some of the fundamentals, which is energy at the moment. So curtailing them. If you curtail the supply of crude oil, the supply of gasoline, and all the current sources of energy we need right now, then you will cause inflation. And American Battery Metals recycles lithium and lithium compounds from used batteries, and I think also mines as well. So I could be totally wrong in what I'm saying, so I'm just speculating on So, but in any case, though, this is what's going on with American battery metals. Moving on, you can see that oscillators are not doing so well, but the readout below might specify otherwise. You can see the 14-period stochastic oscillators waning. And the readout here says that it appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remain 55.6% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. It's currently outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum is for American battery metals is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is falling as investors sell shares and drive the price lower. The volume for that session, the session of the 23rd of June 22nd of June 2021, was lighter than usual, trading 1.6 million shares versus an average of 6.056 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. So yes, there is currently a lack of buying interest, and we are looking at the stock trading at a discount to its short-term moving averages, but trading at a premium to its 50-day and 200-day. So we have been able to do some analysis here. We can see that the range of the stock for the 10-day moving average range for American battery metals is 2.35 to 2.45, and currently American battery metals is currently for its 10-day, it is trading, okay, it closed at 2.13, so it's trading outside that range. It's not trading within that range. You can see that. So even though graphically we can see it is trading below its 10-day and the 50-day moving average, but the standard deviation range, it is not trading. It is trading at a discount to those to that standard deviation range. So that's some data you have to bear in mind as well, which means that the stock has, even though it's currently correcting at the moment, the stock has actually traded better than what it is. Statistically, this has actually performed better than what it is doing right now. So I mean, evidently, yes, it has actually done better. I mean, indeed, yes, it's trading at a discount to those moving averages. So this is just a validation, I should rather point out, instead of rambling on. So having closed at 2.13, that is also the case. It's also trading at a discount. It's not trading at those, it is trading below the 10-day and the 20-day moving averages, standard deviation moving averages range. So that's just a further validation. But even also uniquely as well, for the 250-day, it is also trading below that as well. That is not exactly what is visible here. You can see that we can see it is clearly trading above the 50-day moving average, but statistically the standard deviation says it's trading at a discount. So, but in any case though, I think what it simply suggests is that the risk is very much minimal. If you're looking at it from the one standard deviation range, it's trading at a discount to especially short-term moving averages. So, but what it actually indicates is that there is room for the stock to, the risk going if you want to go bullish, the risk doesn't look that bad. It just tells you that it's trading at a discount, that maybe you don't need to fear that much. It was better than what it is doing right now. So, but at the same time as well, it just simply also tells you that there is huge room beneath. It could retrace further, So, well, we saw some light volume during that last session, so there's a good chance the volatility will not be that bad in the coming session. Yes, we have a 198.2% volatility. There's a good chance the volatility may not be that bad in the coming session. So see what you're going to make out of Abml, and thank you very much for watching this video.